Hey, what's up? It's Phil from Easy Tutorials. Let me show you how to download and install Inkscape. All you need to do is go to Google, type in Inkscape, and over here click Inkscape Draw Freely and click download now. And as you can see, Inkscape 1.1.2 all platforms. And now if you are on Windows like I am, just click Microsoft Windows Desktop, and I will use my 64-bit version. If you have a 32-bit version Windows, to check it out. If you don't know which version you have, just go to right click on your Windows icon, go to System, and over here you can see System Type 64-bit operating system. If you have 64-bit operating system, download the 64-bit version. If you have 32-bit operating system, download this 32-bit. So we want the installer in exe format, and your download will start. I will go into downloads. When download is finished, just click on the icon. Okay, click next, click I agree. You can just leave it as it is, next. And destination folder I will leave as it is, next, and install. Very straightforward, without any unwanted software inside, so you are safe. When the installation is finished, just click over here, run Inkscape. Inkscape interface will be here. You can see the quick setup over here. We can just leave it as it is and click save, click thanks, and click new document. And we are in. And this is it, how you download and install Inkscape. Hope this helps. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.